Who's here on Ray De La Rosa?
I'm present.
Okay.
And my client is here as well.
De La
Just one
Rosa?
moment.
Three people, come on, please.
Just give me 1 second.
No problem.
Just 1 second. I have to correct something in the system. All right. So, Mr. De La Rosa. All right. So, State, did you tender an offer?
Your Honor, yes, we have tendered an offer.
Your Honor,
Yes.
currently we're here on a blood discovery order that was signed by Judge Angelini.
Yes.
That's what it was set for. I spoke with the ADA. We're still trying to get compliance on that.
All right. So, where's the blood discovery? And this is family violence as well.
It's family violence as well, Your Honor.
So, family violence cases. Has all the discovery been turned in for those cases?
Yes, state's waiting on.
All right. And State, did you give the defense an offer in those cases?
Yes,
All right. So, on those cases, are you requesting a jury trial or is there going to be an agreement?
We're going to request a jury trial, Your Honor.
All right. So, in those cases, your plea deadline date has expired. The court will not accept any plea bargain agreements in those cases without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plea open to the court. Do you understand? All right. So, family violence. How long do you expect the jury trial to last in those cases?
for the state's case in chief, Your Honor, I would say 2 days.
All right. And which case would you be proceeding on?
I believe that 3 of the cases happened on the same night as the DWI. So
All right. But I mean, both of them are the same level felonies.
I believe they are, Your Honor.
Okay.
And there's a lot of crossover between the 2 cases, the 3 cases that happened on the night of the DWI third.
Yes, Your Honor, I don't have an answer for that at the moment. I just need a moment to review.
All right. So Norma, on the assault cases, jury trial date, they say 2 days. And could you put it no later than next month?
I can do March 4th.
All right. So that's going to be a jury trial date on those cases on March 4th. In those cases, the court will not consider any plea bargain agreements without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plea open to the court. Do you understand? And counsel, in those cases, are you asking for jury trial or bench trial?
It would be a jury trial, Your Honor.
Okay.
And with the DWI third, we're still waiting on the blood discovery that Judge Angelini had signed an order from. I had asked the ADA for guidance on how long it will take them to comply with that.
Mhm.
And that is also part of our defense as well from, I believe, the 2 cases.
All right.
That my client has been accused of that night on family violence. So
All right. So that's going to be set for March 4th, but the family violence cases, those are going to jury trial on March 4th. All right. Is there anything else?
Yeah. Your Honor, I believe I would ask the state when I will get my blood discovery that was signed by the Judge Angelini had signed the order from. So I haven't gotten an answer on when they expect to get me those
All right. When will
results.
that be here, State?
The answer is, I don't know, Your Honor.
Oh,
What I do know is that defense counsel was hired in March of last year, filed a request for blood discovery that was actually a motion in September, then filed another motion in December, then finally got it signed in January. And the day after it was signed, I sent it out.
okay.
Your Honor, and I understand but the state has had plenty of notice on the blood discovery. And we're just asking that we need that for my client's defense. And it does overlap with the family violence cases that he's been accused of as well.
All right. So March 25th, jury trial. All right. Thank you.
Okay, and when,
I'm sorry, March 4th.
Your Honor, if we could also get a,
Oh, he's right there.
hey, oh, Anything, you can put through that. Again.
Yes.
When are they, and again, I was asking for guidance from the district attorney's office of when they would give me the blood discovery.
He says he doesn't know. And let me just tell you, if you don't have your blood discovery, it's not coming into evidence. This entire DWI, or whether or not he was intoxicated at the time of the offense. I don't know why it's taken so long for blood discovery to come through, but this case has been pending for a while. The family violence cases are going to jury trial on March 4th.
Good deal.
All right.
We're
Thank
ready
you.
for that.
Is there anything else?
No, I was just kind of asking the district attorney, and he said he doesn't have any interest in getting me the blood discovery, so.
Oh, I don't think he said he didn't have any interest. I think he said he does not know.
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. Or has it changed and did I not hear something?
No,
All right. So it's not that he has no interest in it. He says,
I know, and again, I don't know either. I was just asking if he has like a rough estimate when he could get me the blood discovery, so my expert could review it.
all right. Is there anybody you can call state who would know?
I can call Texas DPS Crime Lab and ask them, but that is the best that I can do.
All
That's
right.
fine, that's fine.
Okay. All
Thank
right.
you, Your
Once you
Honor.
sign the reset form, you
I
excuse.
sure will. Thank you, Your
All right.
Honor.
Thank you so
Appreciate it.
much. Thank
Have a
you for
good day.
dressing appropriately for court, sir.
Thanks.
All right, court is calling 2024 CR 009256, State of Texas versus Ray De La Rosa. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Defendant for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Attorney John Garcia first. Defendant, Your Honor.
All right, does he only have one case?
Well, Judge, he has family violence cases too, and then he has one criminal trial division, DWI 30.
All right, so he's only pleading on the family violence, or is he pleading?
And I guess that's what I was coming up to see what was going to go on with the
Okay,
The DWI, Your Honor.
all
I
right.
was gonna ask for a couple of weeks on that because I had just done the DPS discovery today.
Okay. All right. So in this cause number, you're Mr. Ray De La Rosa. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I believe I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, you are, Sue. We're sitting on count 2 of the indictment and we'll wait count 1.
Any objection?
That's our understanding, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. De La Rosa, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand your charge in count 2?
We will also be proceeding, excuse me, Your Honor, lesser included misdemeanor assault, family violence.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand that the state is proceeding on count 2? And they're proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, marriage cohabitation? That is a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is anywhere from $4,000 fine up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He is, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He is, Your Honor.
Mr. De La Rosa, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 2, the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, married cohabitation. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 26 days in the Bexar County Jail. There's a $500 fine, no applications. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, and they say that this will satisfy the judgment. Did you understand that with a affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
That's our understanding of the agreement, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the lesser included offense in count 2, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No, thank you.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State at this time offers into evidence State's Exhibit 1 with all attachments.
Your Honor, I reviewed that information with my client and we have no objections.
Okay. And state, have you spoken to the complainant?
You've attempted, Your Honor.
All right, and what is going to happen with the other case? The 2024 CR 009261.
Those will be dismissed, Your Honor. I have those for you.
All right, thank you. Sir, did you review the document entitled waivers with your attorney? Thank you. With your attorney, did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
It's on there. On
All right, who is the complainant to you? What is your relationship with Herlinda?
Right.
All right, so why are you doing this? Why did you end up hitting her? That's what I want to know. You want a jury trial?
No,
All right, is she still living with you?
no.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to find you guilty as previously stated. The court is going to sentence you to a $500 fine, time and running to run to concurrent, 26 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Herlinda, Herlinda Robles, Robles. And no contact with Crystal, Kirstal, Nicole Alcorta. Did you review and the court will show that the judgment is satisfied. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of, and I'm sorry, there's also an affirmative finding of family violence. And because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Counsel, how much time do you need with regards to the DWI case?
I was thinking if I could get like 3 weeks, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 3-week reset for discovery on his DWI case. All right, we'll be back on March 25th for discovery. So
Thank
once you
you.
sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you. Good seeing you. How's your
Good to see you.
sister?
Doing good. Everybody's good.
Oh, that's good.
Everybody's healthy.
Oh, that's all we can ask for, right?
Definitely.
All right, just have a seat, sir, and he'll give you the reset form. Ray De La Rosa? Yes. Are you all ready to proceed?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
All right, court is calling 2024 CR 007567 State versus Ray De La Rosa. Can I have parties announced?
Andrew Harris Adelman for the state.
Attorney John Garcia for defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. De La Rosa?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your clients?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. De La Rosa, did you review the community supervision application with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge. In the second paragraph, state moves to orally amend 13th of February 2009 to 13th of March 2007.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. De La Rosa, do you understand that's a substantive change to the indictment? And with that substantive change, your attorney has 10 days to prepare for trial? And do you wish to proceed? All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with driving while intoxicated, third or more. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering into this plea, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor, he was.
Mr. De La Rosa, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to end this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison and the state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, it's Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 20 hours of community service restitution, 2-year driver's license suspension, and 10 days in the Bexar County Jail as a condition. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Contained in Exhibit 1 and attachments, Judge.
Your Honor, I went over those documentation with my client. We have no objections.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your
Yeah,
client?
additionally, Your Honor, since my client has been under supervision of the court, he's done everything the court has asked him to do, what the court has asked. Additionally, there was a period of time where he was in Bear County Jail for 42 days. We're asking if he can get credit for that for the 10 days.
Mhm.
If not, if he could be placed under house arrest for the 10 days. He's been on a monitor and he's been monitored by the court, and he has said has no violations since that time.
All right. Are you employed?
Disabled.
All right. And what is your disability?
Vision, my blood pressure, diabetes.
All right. So when did the vision happen?
5 years ago.
All right. That 5 years ago. And this is 2024 offense date.
I believe so, Your Honor.
All right. You shouldn't be driving then.
No.
So I'm going to order no driving. And if you want your driver's license restored, you'll need to go to municipal court and you'll need to have a doctor verify that legally you're allowed to drive as far as your vision is concerned. So the court is going to sentence you to 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's regular reporting by Zoom or in person, 2-year driver's license suspension, DWI education, VIP live, a referral to felony drug court, and a TAP evaluation, follow recommendations, regular random UAs. There's to be no driving until cleared by medical professional. And for the record, that's due to his vision. There's to be ignition interlock until further notice. 20 days GPS in lieu of 10 days in the Bear County Jail. And that will be full GPS. Waive fees. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. 80 hours of community service restitution. Proof of employment or disability within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And 120 sober meetings in 120 days. And that can begin after the 20-day GPS. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, sir.
Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
Just additionally, Your Honor, I had put in the motion for the waiver of the DPS fees.
Oh, I granted the waiver of GPS.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right. Good luck to you. All right.
Yeah.